What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to generate an AI video using CapCut's AI Video Maker on your PC. This is a powerful tool that lets you go from an idea to a full video in just a few clicks. So let's get into it. First, if you don't already have CapCut installed, download it for free from the official website and follow the on-screen steps to install it. Once that's done, open CapCut on your computer. On the home screen, click on the option that says AI Video Maker. This will take you into the editing workspace where the AI video creation process starts. Next, you'll generate your script and create the video. Type in your main topic, then add key points or scene ideas you want included. You can also choose the tone of the video and add any specific instructions. When you're ready, click Create, and CapCut will automatically generate a full script for you. Once it's done, click Use to move forward with automatic video generation. After that, head over to the Scenes panel and click on VoiceOver. Here you can choose from different AI voice options that match your video style. You can also upload your own media files and even add an avatar if you want to give your video more personality. Next, go to the Captions tab and choose a caption style that fits your content. CapCut will automatically sync the captions with your video so everything flows smoothly. Then add background music by opening the Music tab. Browse through the available tracks, pick one that matches your video's mood, and drag it onto the timeline. Finally, once everything looks good, click Export in the top right corner. Choose your resolution, format, and frame rate, then save the video to your device. If you want to make more edits, you can always click Edit before exporting. And that's it. That's how you create an AI video using CapCut's AI Video Maker. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.